Hello everyone, it's your favorite realtor, Erika Hernandez with Better Homes and Gardens, Gary Green. Today I'm excited to bring you a special guest that I'm going to be having here shortly. I'm actually at an open house and I decided to invite a loan officer to join me so that any buyer that comes in can talk to me as an agent with everything to do with real estate and talk to the loan officer on anything to do with financing. While I have her here at the open house, I thought it'd be a good idea to make a video talking about FHA and conventional loans. If you'd like to learn more about FHA and conventional loans, please stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Erika Houston Realtor on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and go to my website at www.erikahoustonrealtor.com. All right, guys, so just as promised, my loan officer is here. She's gonna introduce herself.
Hey guys, I'm Heidi from Gateway Mortgage Group. Thank you so much for tuning into our video.
The first question I want to ask Heidi is, what is the biggest difference between FHA and conventional loans?
So one of the biggest differences between those two types of loans is going to be the mortgage insurance. On an FHA loan, you are going to pay the mortgage insurance for the life of the loan versus a conventional loan where you can cancel the mortgage insurance once you've paid off 20% of the loan.
All right, Heidi, and a lot of people have this question. If you are FHA and you want to refinance, do you have to refinance FHA again?
You actually don't, only if your credit score is low. However, if you do have the opportunity to refinance into a conventional loan, it's definitely more financially savvy for you to do so because then eventually you can get rid of that mortgage insurance. If you plan to be in the home for at least 5 years or more, you should definitely consider conventional refinance first.
Great. All right, so I want to ask her too, why is FHA usually used by first-time home buyers?
Well, Erica, really, for a first-time home buyer, it's a lot easier to get approved for an FHA loan, especially if your credit score isn't the greatest. We do accept credit scores as low as 620 on FHA. And so for a first-time home buyer, it's really possible to get into a home even if you don't have the best credit score. Also, with an FHA loan, you can really afford more home. The bank will actually let you have a higher mortgage payment compared to your monthly income. So if you are maxed out on what they call the debt to income ratio, it is definitely okay to go with an FHA loan, even if you have a pretty good credit score.
So normally, first-time home buyers do not have a lot of money to bring to closing. Why would you say FHA is the better route?
With an FHA loan, you only need a minimum of 3.5%. Also, we can actually get you a really great interest rate or trade that off for some lender credits. So for somebody that has a limited amount of money, the FHA loan is definitely a good option. Also, we do offer some down payment assistance programs if you need that.
So FHA loans, 3.5% is pretty low for a down payment. Now, conventional loans, you have options, correct?
Correct. For the conventional loan, we actually have a 3% down program. It is for first-time home buyers. Now, there's two options there. One is based on income and one is not. The income-based one has a slightly better interest rate. It also has a lower mortgage insurance premium. But if you are buying as a first-time home buyer and you do want to go the conventional route, just know there are programs out there with as little as 3% down.
Although there are many differences in FHA and conventional, Heidi and I were just talking about something they do have in common.
When you're actually financing a mortgage, there are different options on the loan terms. Most everybody goes for the 30-year option because it is the best monthly payment-wise, but you can also qualify for the 15-year, the 20-year, or the 25-year. And in some cases, some banks actually offer a 10-year loan. So if you can't afford the payment, be sure to ask your loan officer for the different options on the loan term, meaning how long the loan is going to be for. And just keep in mind that with either the FHA or the conventional, you can get the 15, 20, 25-year, or 30-year as long as you qualify for it. So for somebody that is going to refinance and keep the FHA loan, maybe you want to pay off your house quicker and you can qualify for the 20 or the 15-year, and that might be a good option for you. Also, keep in mind on the conventional loan, if you are lucky enough to put 20% down, you will not be paying mortgage insurance. So for a lot of people who don't have the best credit score but do have a large down payment amount, you can actually still qualify for the conventional because with a bigger down payment, it's easier to qualify for the loan.
we're gonna wrap up with what Heidi brought up, which is refinancing. I'm sending this video to all my past clients so you guys can learn a little bit more about refinancing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Heidi. Right now is the best time to refinance, correct?
Correct.
Interest rates are so amazing.
I do want to mention, guys, for any of you that have financed through me and teamed up with Erika and I, if you've had your house at least 3 to 4 years, it's a perfect time to look into refinancing. Right now, rates are historically low. The refinance can mean that you can actually skip up to 2 mortgage payments. So think of it as a little bonus. Call me anytime to discuss your refinance and we can definitely send you an estimate and see if it's the right decision for you.
Why wouldn't you guys want to save money on your monthly payment and knock off a ton of years off your loan possibly?
Not to mention skip 2 payments.
Not to mention skip 2 payments. So thank you so much for staying with us. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Heidi's gonna be making more videos with me soon, so I don't want you to miss them. Thanks for watching and I can't wait to see you on my next video.
Thank you guys.
Bye.